we're going to be doing a prompt challenge. Except in this case, we're going to be prompting a bunch of nonsensical words that don't make sense to humans or computers. So you're going to see what the top AI video models can do with these words. Let's get into it. So we're going to be using View 3, Sora 2, 1.2.6, and Grok. By now, you've seen the update on Sora 2 shortened. Technically, you can still use Sora 2 till April 26. That's what they say at least. But I went to the app, try using it, it won't work. So that's that. And for this video, we're working with View 3, 1.2.6, and Grok Imagine. Let's get into it. The first word is Flurp nezziton.
Wee! Flip out! Sparkle the magic now!
Grubble wet.
Ugh, all wet! Brr, cold rain! Gotta shake it off!
Okay, so our next bullshit prompt is just a bunch of icons. A dog, a skeleton head, and a trumpet. Is that what it is? A trumpet? I don't know. But something you blow with your mouth. That's what it is. So these three icons. I mean, the clear winner in that one is definitely Grok Imagine. He just straight up combined the three elements together. The dog, the skeleton, into a single person.
Snort fizz! Fizz, fizz, more fizz! Ooh, yummy!
Snorb fizz! Snorb fizz!
Next word is a bunch of numbers and a word. 010101 Skibidi. This one, I'm particularly interested in what the video models are actually going to spit out. Because if you're not familiar with the word Skibidi, it's actually a trend a couple years back, a very popular trend. So I'm looking forward to seeing what the AI models are going to spit out with this. So let's check it out. The first one.
Do one, take it!
This is so fucking amazing. Both Grok and Vio they are both insane. These are really good generations. Woo, I like that. The one generation is actually pretty good also. I mean, it didn't do the actual Skibidi. Granted, it didn't get what Skibidi is the same way that View and Grok Imagine did. But overall, it's still a very good generation. This is just a bunch of exclamations and question marks, full stops, and commas. And for some reason, when it comes to using 2.6 to try and generate this prompt, we keep getting this error. So one will tell us that you didn't get that, and if you could rephrase the word. I tried a couple times, I keep getting the same error message. So here's what I did. Exclamation mark to I, the question marks to Q. So I basically just found something that looks similar to the original inputs. And we're able to generate something. Next word. Blorbix. No. Blorbix Tuesday.
Hi friends, it's Blorbix Tuesday! Let's dance and play all day! Hooray for Blorbix Tuesday! Tuesday.
Moist kronk.
Hey there. So I've been thinking about something. People say moist is a weird word, but I kind of like it. It's just so moist.
What the fuck was that? Okay. Void Schnorble.
Schnorble in the void. Wee, bounce high. Bye for now.
For view 3, whenever I try to use moist Schnorble, it keeps telling me it cannot generate the prompt due to Google guardrails related to third-party content. I don't know what the fuck that was about, but I don't think there's a character, an existing character with the name Moist Kronk. But for some reason, it won't generate it. So here's what I did. I changed the word kronk to galacticros. And 1.2.6 just for some reason decided to give us a rom-com. Waste of credits. Plunk Todd 9. Alright, so that's the end of the challenge. As a bonus, I decided to give it one last prompt. So I combined all video methods we've been using so far into a single prompt, which is view 1 Grok. Obviously, the word put together doesn't make any sense, but that's it.
Commander, analysis complete. Probability of failure.
Acceptable. What's the margin for error?
0, Commander. We must proceed immediately.
Grok just freaking blew my mind. That was insanely good. That was really, really good. View 3, I just went the gangster route and generated itself. And for 1.2.6, we get ourselves another rom-com. And that concludes it. We got some really nice generations, some really interesting ones. The good thing about this kind of challenge is that doing it will give you some ideas, especially if you're running low. And it's one of those days you don't know what to create or you're out of fresh ideas. For example, this really dope scene because from 1.2.6. I like it a lot. I might actually turn it into a 3-minute short film or a mini comedic vertical series for TikTok and Instagram shots. Or this cool Robocop scene from Grok. You know, these are clips that interesting stories can be built on. So even though this challenge was done for entertainment and comedic purposes, it could very well turn to something better and bigger. Like, share, and subscribe. It definitely motivates to keep making videos like this. And turn on that notification bell so you're one of the first to see my next videos. That's it for today. I'll see you in the next one.